Hey guys, Lex from Project Lex. Today I'm going to be installing this bigger battery into my Isuzu D-Max. This is a Century ultra high performance N70ZZLX MF. I got a winch put on and I'm running a lot of accessories, so I needed a bigger battery. With the winch, they recommend a battery with a minimum of 650 CCA, which is cold cranking amps. The stock battery only has 490. This one here has 810. Also, it is rated at 95 amp hour capacity, 30-month warranty, and it's maintenance free, so you can just set and forget it. Don't have to top up any levels or anything, so I really like that about it. The only thing is we'll have to remove a part of the battery tray. There's a plastic one on top and we'll just have the metal one underneath. And also I had to buy these. The first step is to disconnect the battery. Grab your 10mm wrench and we'll first disconnect the negative, then the positive. Now grab a 12mm wrench and undo the battery bracket. Take the battery clamp off. Now I've just got a black glove here and tied up the negative terminal because I've got accessories fitted and I can't seem to pull it too far away, so I've just got it tied up around here just to keep it out of the way. Next step is to remove the battery. Now you can see the black plastic battery tray. You can just remove that, and then underneath, ta-da, it sits on top of a much larger hard mount tray, which is what we're going to use. So next step is to put the new battery on. Off the old battery clamps, I use this, and these are the new pieces here. I did have to bend the end pieces that curve underneath just to get a better fit. This one at the back here was especially tricky, but we got there in the end. So if you can manage that, then just tighten them up. Then we're going to connect the positive and then the negative. So now this is the big test. Fingers crossed. Beautiful. Now you'll notice everything's reset to 0 there, so anything set, any custom settings, well, they're all gone, so you have to reset those again, and also like your radio and stuff, all the stations and everything, you'll have to reset all that. But other than that, I'm happy with how that turned out.